Well, it's a little bit cooler out there today, but it's going to get a lot colder by the weekend. We're tracking that Arctic air and two clipper systems that bring light snow already tonight. And then again on Friday, we'll add a little fresh snowpack. So it's just a touch cooler behind that front yesterday. It's literally going to be the difference of 3 to 5 degrees, and that's what we can see here in that 24-hour change in temperature across Minnesota. So instead of the 31-degree high we had yesterday, probably about 28 today. But of course, this is nothing like the air mass that is coming in. It's not going to be quite this brutal cold that has been breaking records in Siberia and China. China, the latest place to break a record, 63.4 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, 53 below Celsius. Watch that because that chunk of air really stays over there, but we are going to see a chunk of air right from the North Pole and just to the north and east of that main Siberian air mass. That's what's going to move in behind the second clipper system that comes in on Friday. And it is going to be cold. Forecast temperature anomalies of about 20 to 25 degrees below average here on Saturday and Sunday. So that'll take a little bit of a bite out of what's been a very warm month of January, running anywhere from 8 to 13 degrees above normal across the state. So those final numbers will come down a bit. So we've got that first clipper already bringing some light snow showers into northwestern Minnesota. You can see this little spin of clouds and light snow showers across North Dakota. This will be continuing to track east-southeast slowly through the day today into tonight. Northern Minnesota gets the snow showers already this afternoon and evening, but it'll come late tonight into the early morning hours tomorrow. Scattered snow showers spinning around that low. So tomorrow morning's commute probably will be a little bit slower, a little bit slick. Temperatures will be in the teens and 20s with those snow showers falling. Not a lot of snow for us. The models all agree on generally the higher amounts across northern Minnesota. That's where we could see 1 to 3 inches, probably an inch or less for the Twin Cities in southern Minnesota, though there could be some isolated pockets of 2 inches here or there of some fluff. Most of us, though, about an inch or less. And then the second clipper comes way out of Alaska, just south of Alaska, and that's the one that comes through Friday. And because of that route, that's why it's going to draw in that cold air, dragging it in behind it to the north. So about midnight Thursday night, early Friday, those snow showers start, moves out of here during the morning hours on Friday. And again, big drop in temperatures behind that, a lot of wind late Friday into Saturday, and another couple of inches of snow. But once again, it looks like probably the higher amounts, those 2-3 inch amounts, are going to be primarily for northern Minnesota. 4 different model scenarios with about an inch to an inch and a half maybe in the Twin Cities. So you add up the two clippers though, we're talking a few fresh inches of snow this week before the cold. Sub-zero for most of the state by early Saturday, maybe right around 0 in the Twin Cities, but by Sunday we are below 0 statewide. Around 10 below in the Twin Cities to 20s below 0 for northern Minnesota. Very similar readings again on Monday, and this cold is sticking around. It's not just a few days, it looks like into next week. We're going to stay well below the average. Wind chills Sunday morning, 20 to 40 below 0 across the state. A little reality check, folks, after a 5-week hiatus. It's back. So enjoy those 20s today and tomorrow, Thursday. We'll get the kind of this every other day break from the snow showers. Near 30 Friday ahead of the cold air with those snow showers wrapping up early. But look at those weekend temperatures, single digits here. It'll stay below 0 for probably at least a few consecutive days for northern Minnesota. And bottoming out here near 9-10 below early Monday. 0 only for a high even here in the Twin Cities.